Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 19th, and 3 days ago, back on April the 16th, you saw me place all the little seedlings that had just popped out of their seeds. We planted them into these 4 little containers, and you can see amazing growth only in 3 days. So again, these are the hybrid seeds. Let me just angle that up so you can see that properly. There we go. Love these seeds, love these cucumbers. So I just wanted to give a really fast update on how well these are growing. Now, these were all done on the 13th. It's a good thing that I labeled all of these because, so these were the 13th. The following day I decided to do another batch of these, and so I did use the same seeds, the same hybrid seeds, and I've got a bunch more over there in the corner, but these here were 1 day later, April the 14th. And you can see, you know, that's 1 day difference between the two of them. You can see the leaves on here are a lot more developed than here. But I guess, so by tomorrow, these here are going to look like that. But even from this morning, the amount of growth, incredible. So I just wanted to film this a little bit later on at night just so that we have the full growth, because I usually shoot after my work day, so I just wanted to make sure that I had the same amount of time that has elapsed, you know, to make sure that it's like a 3 full day period. So anyway, there we go. So those are the ones. I am super impressed, and that's it. So I just wanted to keep you updated on those. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.